You don't respect yourself, and it shows. Today we're talking about people who think they respect themselves, but they don't. You see it in the way they act, they talk, they project. You just see it. A lot of people are so focused on how others treat them that they completely miss how they treat themselves. And therefore, nobody respects them because they don't respect themselves. And that's the real problem. It's a you thing, not a they thing. So in this video, I'm going to show you 3 signs that you don't respect yourself even though you think you do. And the first thing that people do is that they break promises to themselves and they don't even notice. They tell themselves, I'm so ready to quit this job. Yeah, grandma, next weekend I'll visit you, okay? This is my last glass of wine. I must stop drinking. And then they just don't. And they think it doesn't matter because nobody sees it. But your brain sees it. Your subconscious hears every single promise you break. And that becomes your self-image. Let me tell you a story. Winter 2017, Berlin. I'm walking through the streets with my older friend. She was my business mentor back then. And then we pass these concert posters and she stops. Oh my God, I know this guy. He's a really famous Mongolian throat singer. And he's performing at that church next week. We have to go. You will love it. Yeah, that sounds amazing. Should I buy tickets? Yes, of course, Marty, do it. So I bought them 2 tickets. And the day comes, I show up at this little church with maybe 20 or 30 people, very intimate, but she isn't there. Okay, maybe she's running late. The concert is about to start and still no sign of her. So I go outside in the freezing cold and I call her. Nothing. I call again. Nothing. The concert starts and then there's a break in the middle. So I go outside again. Maybe something happened. Her health wasn't always great and she lives alone. She was always so responsible and punctual. I'm really worried. So I sit through the concert alone and it was beautiful, but I left with a bitter feeling in my heart. The next day I text her again. Hey, what happened? I bought 2 tickets and waited for you. I called you all night. And she replies, oh, I forgot. I had something else to do that night, sorry. And from that moment, everything changed. Our friendship, our mentorship just became really awkward for me until it quietly ended. And the reason I tell you this story is that this is the relationship most of you have with yourself. You promise yourself things, big things, small things, and then you forget. You ghost yourself and then you gaslight yourself. And you think because nobody else knows, it doesn't count. But again, your brain knows. Your subconscious is keeping the score. Every time you break a promise to yourself, you're teaching yourself, my word doesn't mean anything. And eventually you will become someone you can't trust, neither with the small things nor with the big things in life. Because if you don't respect your own word, why should anyone else? And the funny thing is, people can sense when you don't respect yourself. They might not know why, but they feel it and they will treat you accordingly. Okay, that was the first sign, but the next one is really sneaky because most people think they're being mature when they do it. They think that being easygoing, not making a big deal out of things, that's self-respect. Oh, I don't let things bother me. I'm chill. Maybe sometimes, but most often it's not. Because look, there is a difference between choosing not to respond because something genuinely doesn't matter to you and keeping quiet because you're scared of conflict. Someone does something you don't like and you keep quiet, but you think about it that evening, the next day, the next night, you can't sleep. You are not at peace and chill. It obviously bothers you, but you have convinced yourself, I'm letting it go. I'm tolerant. I'm zen. No, you're not. You're swallowing it. You're a time bomb. That is not you respecting yourself. And what's even worse, some people are pushing your buttons to test your limits. They want to see how far they can go. And if you don't address it, they will keep on doing it. They learn, oh, she's tolerant. I can keep doing that. Let me show you what I mean. So imagine it's Friday evening at work. You're just about to leave, and then a coworker dumps a last-minute task on you for the second time. And you just take it on. It's only like 40 minutes. You don't want to be difficult and you don't want to seem like you're not a team player, right? And he continues doing it Friday after Friday until you gather your courage. Hey, I need notice for these tasks. Can you give me a heads up earlier in the week? Next Friday, 6:45. Hey, so I know it's last minute, but can you handle this real quick before you go? It's really important and I'm so busy right now. It'll only take you 20 minutes. Now you have 3 options. Option 1, you take the task on. Option 2, you react. Are you serious right now? I literally told you last week that I need notice. Do you think I don't have a life? That's so disrespectful and unprofessional. You're emotional. You're making it about you. You are handing them the control about your energy. And option 2 is you respond. Like I said last week, I need 24 hours notice for tasks like this. I can't take it today. Oh, come on. It'll be real quick. Just help me out one last time, okay? I understand that it's urgent for you, but I can't take it today. I'm happy to help if you let me know before. And then you leave. Reacting is letting your emotions drive. You snap, you get defensive. That is your hurt ego talking. And responding is staying grounded and holding your boundary. You are clear and you follow through. A boundary without a consequence is just a wish, and people don't respect wishes. So if you call yourself chill and not dramatic, easygoing, ask yourself, am I actually at peace? Do I have clear boundaries with consequences, or am I just avoiding conflict because I'm scared? And now there's the third sign that you don't respect yourself even if you think you do. And that's my personal trap, because I thought I was being a good person doing it. And the third sign is people who have the tendency to manage everybody's feelings. I thought I was so empathetic and caring, but in reality, I just couldn't handle their discomfort. I wanted to be needed, and I couldn't let them have their experience of life. Let me explain. A lot of people believe if someone close to them is upset, it's their job to fix it. Your mom is lonely, your partner is angry, your friend is disappointed, and suddenly that becomes your problem to solve. I used to do this all the time. But there's a difference between caring about someone and being responsible for their feelings. Those are 2 completely different things. Imagine your partner comes home from work in a bad mood. They're slamming doors, clearly pissed off. You go into full savior mode and tiptoe around them. Hey, are you okay? Did something happen? Are you angry? I can make something to eat if you want. Do you want to watch that show that you like? Should I let you in a bath, or do you want to talk? I'm fine. I just need some space. But you don't give them space. You love them. You can't bear to see them suffering. So you keep trying. Are you sure? Please tell me. I love you so much and I just want to be happy. Talk with me, please. I said I'm fine. And here's what it looks like when you don't take responsibility for their emotions and are still caring. Wow. Hey babe, welcome back. It sounds like you had a rough day. Yeah, it was shit. Take your time and let me know if you want to talk about it. And then you go back to what you were doing. Their feelings are theirs to process, not yours to manage. And if they are a self-responsible adult and they want your support, they will ask. But most people don't do that. They see that someone is upset and immediately go into fix-it mode. Or do you need tissues? You're crying. Even if the person didn't ask for that. Because they themselves can't handle it. They disrespect the other person's experience of life. They intervene and they think they are a good person for doing that. But saviors and fixers, they don't get respect. They get used and abused. Okay, so those were the 3 signs that you think you are respecting yourself while you are actually not. And if any one of those made you uncomfortable, it means it's familiar. I really hope that you guys work on these 3 things. And if you already stopped doing them, that is so valuable. So tell me in the comments what you want to work on. For me, number 1 is no issue, because self-integrity is a really high value to me. When I say that I do something, I do it, or I don't say it. Number 2, I still catch myself doing that. I avoid confrontation and think I'm being so zen and chill, while in reality, I'm just afraid to have clear boundaries and state them. If you are doing any of these things, it is time to stop now. Because you don't respect yourself and it shows. People will use it against you, and I don't want that for you. I am working on it, so you should too. Thank you for watching, and bye.